Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with Tech Solutions here with a quick little stock market update. An amazing way to kick off the overall 4-day trading week with a nice little green day. This is something that a lot of people have been asking. How am I up $13,000, nearly 14 on the day when TQQQ is down 0.72%? Well, if you tuned on into today's live trading session with the Learn Plan Profit Group, we did an absolute amazing job catching the dip. And if you actually do the math from the overall lows, which I did not catch, to the overall highs, which I did not sell at, perfectly, it would have been 7.17%. So the question is, why do people day trade? This is a great example because you're able to take advantage of intraday plays, buy the lows, average up, sell the highs, lock in profits at overbought levels. And we killed it today, locking in profits. There's a very common resistance level right around $34, around $33.90 was where I saw most of the resistance level. You guys can let me know down in the comment section. TQQQ got rejected once, twice, kind of at $34, and then got rejected once again right around $33.80 for the fourth time today. This was not just today that it's experienced that resistance level. If you look at the 5-minute time frame, it actually had that same resistance level last week on Friday. This is a valid resistance level. This is exactly why I'm making this video. We are still trading below the EMA line. If you guys look up at different articles, right, different news outlets, they're all saying different things. Some people are saying that this is a short-lived rally, to not get excited. Other people are saying that this is going to be an exciting summer for the market to recover. With that being said, who should we believe? Well, the way that I view it is no one, right? We should take it day by day. And all I'm literally focusing on is progress. I don't want to think or get too confident that the market's going to recover, go into aggressive, and then end up regretting it when it sells off. But I also don't want to sit on my hands and watch the market recover and not have anything invested. This is the perfect time to be selective. Not afraid to lock in profits, but also not afraid to have some skin in the game, but also taking the downside into consideration to be able to tolerate at the worst case scenario. What I want to point out is the EMA line is still acting as a resistance level. We've only broken above the EMA line on the day chart for TQQQ twice. Or once, really. We're working on the second time. We can see that it's been acting as a resistance level ever since the beginning of 2020. This is back in January. You can see that we've been getting rejected. We broke above it around mid-March. Then guess what? Russia attacked Ukraine, sold right back off, and we have not been able to break above. We're really close, just like we were really close last time, just like we were really close the time before that, the time before that, the time before that, the time before that, the time before that. Close does not mean we have confirmation. So where do we go from here? Well, if you guys tuned on in to my live trading session that we talked about or that we hosted on Friday, if you guys have never watched me trade live, make sure you check out this video. It's actually public on my YouTube channel. But with that being said, we talked about this resistance level and how valid it is, with all these different news outlets trying to persuade you to buy more, or for other markets or for other news outlets trying to convince you to sell now. I think all we should really do is take it day by day. If you guys look at this on the 1-hour time frame, this is actually quite exciting. Today was not a crazy day, but it was still progress. You know why? Because we didn't make lower lows. A stock pulling back is not the scary part. Stocks will always pull back. If you can't tolerate that, then let me do you a favor. Close this window down, because you shouldn't invest nor trade in the stock market, because there is not one time ever in history that a stock only goes up without any pullbacks. Even the most valuable companies that are publicly traded correct themselves from time to time. A stock needs to breathe. It needs to pull back a little bit, build its support, and make higher highs or in higher lows as well. And this is exactly what we did today, where we pulled back. We didn't go as low as we went last time, right? We validated the EMA line on the 1-hour time frame, and we're picking back up, retesting that $34 level. So that's what I'm here to update you guys on. I have my alerts at $34. I would love to follow up with you. I'd love to trade above $35 a share for TQQQ, and that would be progress. Still not confident, but progress. But if we break back below EMA, then we can expect to pull back to the moving average, which is right around $29 a share. If we break below that, then we can head right back down to $26 a share. There's no reason that you should get overly excited. One of the best things that you can do during uncertain times is not be afraid, but simply take time to prepare. And I think the best thing that you can do is be selective. Cherry pick 1, 2, maybe 3 stocks that you want to buy and invest in, and that's all. Don't overcomplicate it with what I'm investing in, what other people are investing in, what they're making money on. Focus on yourself. Keep trading and investing simple. I'm excited to follow up with you guys. We've absolutely killed it. Today I did 13K, a little bit over 13K. On Friday, if I'm not mistaken, if you guys watched that live trading session, I made over $30,000. The day before that, I made nearly $27,000. And the day before that, I made over $21,000. It's been a great rally, as you guys can see, for TQQQ. In just the past couple of days from the overall lows to the current highs, it's been 35%. This does mean that the market could correct itself, or we're simply here to make progress and see those higher highs and higher lows. So again, something that I'm very excited to follow up with in tomorrow's live trading session. We already have /NQ, which is the NASDAQ future, somewhat in the green for the aftermarket trading session. So if you guys ever want to see what it's like to watch me trade live, I trade live every morning exclusively to my Learn Plan Profit group. So we are running our biggest sell ever today. It's $150 off, and yes, it does end by tonight. So the first link down below will get you lifetime access to our A to Z video lesson library, daily live trading session, private group chat, and of course, the TechBuds HQ, which is our in-person headquarters trading center located in Chandler, Arizona. It's all inclusive, one-time payment, lifetime access, and today only it's $150 off. So if you've been waiting for our biggest sale, this is it. If you're not ready, no worries. Second link down below is my free trading group chat. You can message me there, but I always prioritize my Learn Plan Profit members. So if I have extra time, then I'll get to you. I really do appreciate your guys' time. Hope and wish you guys nothing but the best. I'll see you guys tomorrow for our live trading session. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.